Heads up tonight for parents and students in our area as a local high school is now dealing with a highly contagious bacterial disease.
We're talking about whooping cough. It can last 10 weeks if not treated. Our Dave Faraday is live outside of Statesville High School. And I know, Dave, you just got a statement from the school district about this case. What are they saying?
Yeah, that statement confirming, Scott, that there is a confirmed case here at Statesville High School. The school district is working closely with the health department. We found out earlier today that the student here has undergone treatment. Physician assistant Kristen Vestigo showed us the vaccine most children get to prevent whooping cough before they are old enough to go to school. The initial symptoms are similar to the common cold, with a slight fever, but it is often followed by weeks of coughing fits, even vomiting.
Typically, when we're going to treat it, it's a cough that's been going on for 3 weeks. And it's got this kind of, really sporadic cough. People say they hear the whoop.
A letter sent by the principal at Statesville High says in part, the Iredell County Health Department is working with your child's school to identify students who may have been exposed to this student. If your child is identified as having close contact to this student, you will be notified with a separate letter. Outside of Statesville High today, we spoke with students who were either unaware someone had contracted the disease or knew much about the illness.
I never heard of it.
Never heard of it.
I don't like it because there's a lot of stuff going around, especially the flu.
Hundreds of people get whooping cough each year in North Carolina. The disease affects the airways and is easily spread from person to person by coughing or sneezing. It can be dangerous for infants and people with weakened immune systems. This mother doesn't take any chances when her daughter gets sick and wishes others wouldn't either.
All the parents that are sending their kids to school sick, keep your kids at home and keep your kids well to prevent other kids from getting sick.
And the experts say the best protection in all this is the vaccination and making sure, Scott, that your family's vaccinations are up to date. Back to you.
It is very important, and thanks for the update on that, Dave. And as you say, this also known as pertussis, whooping cough can affect people of all ages. It can be really serious or even deadly for babies less than a year old. The CDC sees between 10,000 and 50,000 cases of whooping cough each year, but most of the deaths are in babies younger than 3 months old. As many as 20 babies can die from it in 1 year.